Hello.
Hello?
Yes, yes, Alvi.
Can you hear me? Yeah.
Yes, yes. Okay. Hi, Alvi. How's everything going?
It's just a lot of studying and almost with only one more week I finish.
Yes, I can feel that.
Nine
Uh,
more weeks.
yes, I can feel that
And you
pressure. Yeah. And how was your
mm-hmm.
Eid? How
Yeah.
was your Eid?
Oh,
Okay.
it was good to eat. I got to relax a bit from the
Okay.
study.
Yeah, mostly
But
studies pressure, right?
I just study
Mm, you are
too.
you are glitching. Am I audible, Alvi?
Hello?
Yeah,
Yes?
now. Yeah, it's good now.
That was good. I didn't get to go over the exam much. So
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
yeah.
Okay. I have solved your all questions, and the thing is that with these all questions mostly, except one or two, all questions are from your textbook, whatever the examples given in your textbook, according to
Oh,
that. Okay, so it was some of the questions were easy, but yes, I was not getting any hint for question number 8. Nothing, no reference at all. How to
question
solve
8. Oh,
it. So I just submitted that question into check using
yeah.
my I think I got solution from that, but I haven't understood it that completely. Okay. Anyways, let's discuss about rest of the questions. Okay, first.
Unfortunately, I don't have too much time to this. I was thinking today can be like a 30-minute session.
Okay.
And we add 30 minutes in another session.
Okay.
So
Another session.
like 30 minutes like on the next session, extra 30 minutes.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, that's fine.
Okay. So let's say which one? Like question which one did you do? Question 4 to 10 or everything?
Uh, except 1 and 2, you have already done that, right? In
Yeah.
the last session. And question number 3, and except uh, 8, I have done all of them.
Okay. Is 8 on check as well or
You won't find that in that homework.net because that's really a recent answer question. So,
oh, okay. Oh, you
and
posted the question on check to find out
yeah,
this.
yeah, yeah.
Oh, did you get an answer or
Yes, yes. I'll send you.
did you
Mm,
understand it so like I can
n-
explain it?
no, I haven't understood that completely. How a person have solved, I don't know. I'll have to take a look at that question. Okay,
Okay.
let's first discuss rest of the question. Okay.
Okay.
Question number 4. I am sending you the photos. 3. No, let's start from 3. Okay.
Yeah. Well, you could share your screen too, so you could like work through it as well.
Here.
Wait, give me one second. My mom's calling me. When you share screen, I'll be back in 2 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm back.
Mhm. Same solution part.
Okay.
And I won't say, Alvi, this paper is going to be easy.
This exam?
Yes, yes, because I think it's difficult to score 100%. Maybe some question, at least one or two question you may be missed out. Uh,
That's
because
good to hear.
yes, and the thing is that even you know the solution, you have to memorize numbers of formulas, lots of formulas,
Most of
and
it is like formula usage.
yes, not
Okay.
formula uses, but you'll have to keep those formulas in your mind because I don't think so. Any formula will be
No,
supplied see separately, and
no.
and uh, as far as just a moment. If
No
we
problem.
talk about in terms of integration, just go through uh, clear your concept with integration by parts. Mostly in most of the questions,
Yeah.
integration by parts have been used mostly.
Okay. So I'll practice that a bit.
Yes. Keep the formula in mind and a little bit of U over V division method of integration.
Okay. Remember that. Let's see if it's 30 minutes. That means this class will end at 7:10.
So, okay. Here I'm setting you question number 3.
Okay, I found it. Hello?
Yes, yes.
Yes. Yeah, I found, yeah, I see the solution you sent me. Well, I forgot the question. Can you like put the question on your screen too?
Mhm.
It's easier than the questions I had on the web work or
Yeah.
the
Uh,
assignment questions.
Easier. Yes, yeah. Compared to that, these questions are easy.
Okay.
Just the thing is that most of the questions in web work we got reference from check mostly, but
Yeah.
here, yeah, mostly as I said, mostly question from the textbook, examples and the theorems given and any concepts given in your textbook. So mostly
Okay.
textbook questions. Did I
Okay.
just question? Yes. Okay, I will just take a look at the solution, and if you are not getting anything, just let me know.
Okay. Okay, so x is equal to u over v.
Mhm,
That's it. Question 3, xy plane. Y is equal to x and y is equal to 3x.
mhm,
So y goes from x to 3x. Hyperbola is 1 to
mhm,
3. So y you wrote it goes from, how'd you get y u goes from 0 and y v goes to 1?
mhm.
No, where did you get that from? XU is equal to u over v and xv.
Negative
What?
u. Okay,
Yeah.
this part I got from simply this is Jacobian. I think I have written it down. Jacobian.
Oh,
X.
that's the derivative of x respect to
Yes,
u.
yes. I have written down it differently. That's why it looks different.
Okay, yeah. And x is equal to uv, that's given to us in the question. And Jacobian is a change from xy to uv, right?
Yes.
And then it says region is bounded by the curves y is equal to x. Region is bounded from y is equal to x and from 1 v is equal to u over v. Wait, where did you get v is equal to u over v?
Uh, V equal to U over V.
V.
Okay. See, the
Oh, the curve.
expression one, as it is given, y equal to v. I have just substituted y by v and x by u over v.
Oh, okay, see, yeah. Why you substituted with v and x with u v, so the v goes out,
Mhm.
and yeah, what happens once the v cancels out? It becomes just u. U is
Yeah.
equal to 1.
U is equal to 1. Yes. X times y equal to 1 in that expression, right?
Yes. Oh no,
Yes.
u v square is equal to u. My bad, it shouldn't cancel out.
V square is equal to u in that
Yeah,
expression. I have
yeah.
done nothing. After that, I have left that expression as it is. Okay, I have done nothing. Okay, so
See.
it's from y equal to x expression. It's for y equal to x expression. Okay, now come to the expression y equal to 3x. Okay,
Yeah,
I just substituted y by v and x by u over v. Okay,
yeah.
so we'll get uh, v square is equal to 3u by cross multiplication.
Okay.
Okay,
How come you didn't isolate u or v?
yes,
Yeah,
yes, sir.
why didn't you square root both sides so you know how much v
Hmm.
is?
V.
Or you could have put v square over 3 is equal to u.
In expression 3.
Yeah.
Yes, uh, y is equal to 3x, right? I just substituted y by v and x by u over v. So it's v is equal to 3 times u over v. Okay,
Yeah.
and and just cross multiplied, like v square, that becomes v square is equal to 3u. Is that
Yeah.
okay?
But then why didn't you isolate one of them?
Mhm.
Why didn't you make v is equal to square root 3u? Or why didn't you make it u is equal to v square over 3
V square over
is equal to u?
uh
Or v is equal to square root 3u?
yes, I have made that in later part.
Oh, okay. I
uh,
see.
if you go come down from expression at 2 and 3, I just simplified that these two equations. V is equal to square root of u
Mm-hmm.
and v is equal to square root of 3u. That's our bond limits. Okay. For v
No.
you have already
Okay.
got for you uh, for you it's 1 to 3.
Okay. Yeah, I see it. U goes from 1 up to 3. Oh yeah, after that you wrote x, y is equal to 1,
Mhm,
where you could cancel out the v to write u is equal to 1, and
mhm.
x, y is equal to 3, where you could cancel out the v to write u is equal to 3. So that's
Yes,
how you got u goes from 1 to 3.
yes.
Oh, I see. And then, oh, there you go. That's where you wrote the v squared is equal to u and v is equal to square root.
Mhm.
V squared is equal to u, and where's the other one? Where did you get 3u? V squared is equal to u, and underneath you got v squared. Oh, oh, okay. I see what you did. Okay, you made v squared equal to u into v is equal to square root u,
Mhm.
and then same thing for the other, and
Yes.
then your bounds. Yeah, I see it now.
And you have to be careful at the end moment in this question, the
Oh, you're
integration
supposed to
from.
evaluate it too? Oh, yes, it does say it.
Sorry,
You have to evaluate you have to compute the integral, I think.
1/2, you mean to say
Yeah,
ln? Yeah, it's simply I have used the properties of logarithm. This is natural logarithm, right? So
yeah.
this could be written as it's 3u. So this simply means,
Ln x.
okay, so this
Yeah.
could be written otherwise 3 simply. I have used this property of logarithm.
Okay. Yeah, and then yeah, I see where you went from there. Okay. And you got 2 ln 3 as your final answer. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, it's not too bad of a question then. It just everything is given to you, the answer, not
Yes, yes.
okay.
The thing is that it becomes difficult if you don't have anything like in which direction you should think.
Oh, it just okay.
Yeah, if just question is given to you, then you won't get any idea how to solve this one.
Yeah, you have to I think practice more than I
Yeah,
would question.
yes, yes, you have to practice.
Okay. Do you have another question? Oh yeah, question 4 then, and then I have to leave it there.
Yes. And question number 4, it's a simple one. It's an easy one. Like, see,
Wait, question 4 is on the textbook, the
mm,
example?
uh, some part of not completely given because the similar kind of example is given in your textbook. Like simply, it's an ellipse, right? So ellipse having this
Mm-hmm.
formula of area simply means simply that what does this mean? Your x square over it could be written this way, square 3 square equal to 1, and this is your a and this is your b. That simply
Yeah.
means your area, your answer is going to be simply 6 pi. Okay, but here
Oh,
in this case, yes, uh,
oh, okay.
this is
But
your
it has
answer, but here in this case we have to use two different methods to get this answer. Okay,
okay.
we are sure about answer. Okay, so
Okay.
let me send you this solution as well. Question number 3, question number 4.
But how do you do the change of variables when they don't give you the x is equal to uv and y is equal to v?
I just took this way. This expression could be written x over 2 square, right? Y over 3 whole square and 1. I simply took u equal to x over 2 and v equal to y over 3.
Oh, you choose any to be your U or V?
Yes, yes. Like you have to
Oh,
think of
I
a
see. And then you wrote X.
yes. Um, just a moment.
Oh. How do you know what is like your U or V? That's why I get lost.
U and
Is
V.
there only one U and V you could choose or any?
I don't think so that, and if you choose any other U and V, it's going to solve your question properly and convert your expression into. It won't work if you work with change of variables. Like it, if you just take x over 2 equal to U and y over 3 equal to V, if you write in terms of
Yeah.
U and V, it will become equation of your, I think it's circle, right? Yes,
Yeah.
yes. And in your textbook, it's given like your ellipse is when you are changing your variable, it will get a shape like circle. Okay. So it's a
Oh,
lot easier to convert your U and V. Uh, Just take these two expression in terms of U and V. That will give you your equation of a circle. So it's better to take
can you
this way.
use polar coordinates? Can you use polar coordinates to integrate this or
No. I just directly did it. I'm sending you this solution as well. Okay. It's a little bit messy and even some part.
and then how did you get your lower and upper bounds for your U?
Radius is quite obvious. That's one. Okay. So uh,
Yeah.
u u is definitely going to be your 0 to 1. Okay.
Yeah.
Radius part 0 to 1. And
Wouldn't it be -1 for U?
no. Radius must be your greater than 0. Greater than 0.
Oh, your radius.
Yes.
And how about V?
V. V just a circular like 0 to 2 pi.
Also, we use polar coordinates to compute it then, no?
Yes. Polar
Because it's
coordinates.
radius, not
Mm,
polar coordinates, but like the same concept.
yes. We we can
0 to
do.
1 for radius and 0 to 2 pi.
Yes. So in
I didn't
this,
get your picture yet.
just a moment. Do you know about ResearchGate, Alvi?
Hmm?
Do you know about
Pardon?
anything? The website ResearchGate.
No. What is ResearchGate?
Okay, you could Google it. Like it's a scientific community-based website. Okay, so
Yeah.
generally whenever I used to stuck somewhere, like even your guide is not able to answer to you, then just post some question related to science and research.
Yeah.
Some any person from all around the world would answer to your question. Like mostly they answer,
Oh,
and it's also free. Okay. uh, if you get even your programming, anything, something related to science and tech. Okay. So for this, you need to sign up by your institute sign ID, email ID. Okay. Personal email ID, they don't allow. Okay.
pardon me?
You have to sign up in this website by using your institute mail ID, your institute, college, university, and maybe.
Okay.
Okay. So I used to use this website, and if you are stuck somewhere, like your professor is not giving you any answer to that question, there may be some
Yeah.
scenario like you won't get any reference. The thing is that some of the things we do, uh, generally we whatever we are studying, these all are based on comparative studies. Like we get some reference from something and we follow that reference and solve that question and do our work. But what about if you don't get any reference at all? Okay,
Uh,
so that some of the things. Okay, I have sent you this solution, Alvin.
it's called ResearchGate.
Yeah, yeah. This is mostly for scientific world, okay? Science and tech. Even
Okay.
programming questions, programming for that, I think that's over Stack Overflow. You know that.
Yes,
Perhaps you
Stack
know.
Overflow. I heard.
Yeah, Stack
Yes.
Overflow.
Okay, so I think I got the picture from you.
Mhm.
Yeah, compute the area bounded by ellipse. Just don't understand how do we know what do we choose as our U and V?
U and V,
How did you
right?
know the U had to be that x over
Yes.
2?
Yeah, see, in your textbook, you can also go through that one solution. Can you open up your textbook, Alvi?
Yeah. Do you want me to share my screen too, or just
Yes, here your screen.
okay?
Compute the area bounded by an ellipse. In textbook, in that solution, they had taken that way. So I took the same way, and because your ellipse is being converted
What
into
ellipse?
uh, change of variable. Okay, go to that section, change of variable. I must
Yeah,
have I must have written page number as well. I forgot.
I found change of variables.
Just scroll it down. Mhm. Just
Launch
keep
pad.
keep keep going.
No, I don't find it here. But then now I'm done the section right here.
Okay, okay. Let me see myself. Okay. You could directly type compute the area bounded by an ellipse. Compute the area.
Yeah,
Compute the area bounded by an ellipse. Just enter again.
compute. No, this is surface area. Is it this one?
No, no, no. Again, press enter. It will just highlight the same. Okay.
There's only three where it says
Compute
compute
the
area.
area. Compute the area. Or you could directly type area of an ellipse.
Nope.
Okay, okay. Stop sharing your screen. Let me see it. Yeah, I'll show
For some
you.
reason, ellipse is not showing. Uh, It was in the change of variables chapter.
Yes.
Okay. So it's 15.9 change of. I found parabolas is if that's the same thing.
Yeah.
I found a question with parabolas instead.
Oh, it's clearly given. That's different one.
Maybe you saw another book.
No, no, no. I don't have much book, Alvi. I have this book and there is one more, Thomas and Finney book. That's hard
Oh,
copy. Area of an ellipse. Ellipse. Change of variable is start from which page?
did you find it?
I don't know from where, but I have seen that example. Simply the expression for pi AB. Maybe somewhere else. Okay, so the thing is that simply I have taken u equal to x over 2, okay?
Yeah.
So in that example, it was taken that way, okay?
Okay.
So I just took the reference of that and it was talking about converting your ellipse in the when you change the variable, it will be converted. Its shape will be something like circle. So circle having radius 0 to 1, and when you just circle your angle, it will be theta will be your 0 to 2 pi complete circle. Okay.
Okay.
So this
And
way, yes, I think just go through
what's
this.
AB?
Sorry.
The number AB, what is that?
Number A and B is that one, Alvi.
AB, like integral AB du dv.
Yeah, that's the expression, like ellipse having A and B. Okay, that's A
Oh,
is your this 2. Okay,
yeah, the two.
and B is your 3.
Okay.
This is A, this is B
And the one
in
that
an
you calculate.
ellipse. Okay,
Okay.
in a,
And the 1/2 you 1/6 you the Jacobian. What did you do with that 1/6?
oh yeah, in this part I messed up, but I was doing something wrong, so that part is not required in this solution. Okay, uh, wait a minute.
Oh, okay.
You just a moment. R dr d theta. Wait. This part. Okay, I haven't sent this part. I'm sending you another picture. Okay,
Okay.
you'll confused with that solution. The solution you are looking at, you'll get confused. Mm, Okay, take a look at this solution. Okay, I
Yeah.
converted into this into, yes, polar coordinate. Yeah, you were right.
Oh, and then you calculated the Jacobian,
Yes.
and you got R for the Jacobian, or
Yes, R.
oh, okay. You put it into the integral, right?
Yes. Sorry, I just
Mm.
did with a disorganized way. I have solved this. Not.
No, wait. Wait, yeah, okay. Let's see.
I think you understood it, right?
Yeah, I'll see going over more views because it's hard to balance because I have 3 exams right after each other,
Mhm.
so
Oh,
it's like very hard to like, yeah,
oh,
study
okay.
for which one
And
before.
is there any gap between these three
My first
exams?
exam is on Monday morning, and after the
Mhm.
next exam is on Thursday and Friday.
Okay, Thursday and Friday back to back. Yeah.
Yeah.
And is the paper on Friday is that difficult one?
The one on Thursday is the calculus one. Friday is also tough because it's accounting. But yeah,
Okay.
optimization is a very easy class, so I'm not worried about that. It's the last one.
Good.
But yeah, I was very surprised how easy that class was until after the first few weeks.
Okay.
So
I'm
yeah.
sending, yeah, I'm sending you the solution of question number 5. Okay. I think you could solve this one by yourself.
Okay, yeah. I'll do now today's class. Try understanding. So yeah. And yeah, I think it's been a bit over 30 minutes, so like I have to leave now.
Okay, do you have any more seats like this from previous exams? Like if you want, I
I
could.
have one more. Oh yeah, I do have one more set of questions. These ones are a lot harder.
Okay.
If you I'll send it to you on WhatsApp.
And memorize formulas, Alvi. Otherwise,
Yeah.
it will be difficult to, because in assignment we were taking reference of different formulas and different sections, and we just solving. Okay, so in examination you will have to do by own.
Okay. No problem. Yeah, I sent you the practice exam.
Okay, I got it.
It's not a practice exam, but it's like a review set of questions.
Okay.
So yeah. Anyways, I have to go. It's 7:27.
Okay, no problem.
Okay then.
Okay, okay, Albi. Bye bye. See you in the
Have
next
a good
session.
day.
Yeah,
Yeah.
next session on Monday, right?
Yeah.
Or
Is
Tuesday?
tomorrow possible for actually no, tomorrow I want to study for my other class. Monday. Yeah.
Okay,
Monday at 5 or 6, I think would be best for me.
okay,
Okay then. Have a good day. I'll see you
okay.
in there.
Bye bye. I'll send
Bye.
you. Do you want